Hello, welcome. See, I'll not take much time. A very small exercise is coming your way. It's a very good exercise in writing skill. So you try to do that exercise and keep it with you. And mind you, it will be very useful to you later on in your life. In your exam also, it may be very useful. So listen to my instructions very carefully. I told you this is an exercise in writing skill. So you have to write down. I'll give you three options. You can write down those options. First one is growing up. What did I tell? Growing up. Second one is making tea. What is the second one? Making tea. Third one, opening a bank account. Opening a bank account. The fourth one, which some of you might have undergone this experience, not all of you, donating blood. So what did I say? Donating blood. So I'm sure many of you or almost all of you have undergone all these processes, that is growing up. So what are the stages in the growth of a person? One by one you can write. There is no such rule. You can write down whatever comes to your mind. Growing up, you can write down 5 steps of growing up. For instance, first one is child is born. Second one could be starts recognizing his or her mother. The third one, fourth one and fifth one you have to write down. Next one, you might have been doing this daily, preparing tea. What are the steps involved in the preparation of tea? And every person has a different style of preparing tea. So what is your style of preparing tea? How do you prepare tea? I'm asking you only about your style. Write it down in 5 steps. 5 very easy steps preparing tea. Next one, this also you might have undergone. So what is the next one? The next one is opening a bank account. What are the process? What is the procedure you have to undergo for opening a bank account? So first one could be filling up the form. Second would be attaching some documents. Third one would be something. Write down the complete procedure in 5 easy steps. And the fifth one, I urge you, those of you who have not experienced this also, you might have heard at least. Fifth one, donating blood. So how many of you have donated blood? Maybe very few. Donating blood. It could be for any purpose. It could be for testing. It could be you are donating blood to somebody who is in need of it. So it could be for any reason. It could be for any purpose. So what are the steps involved in the donation of blood? For instance, you have to hold your fist very tight. The first step could be hold your fist very tight so that the veins are visible very easily. That is the first step. The second step you have to write down. There are no rules and regulations. You can follow your own rule. It can be in active voice, it can be in passive voice. What is important is you should know how to write a process. This is a very good exercise in writing skill. So I have given you 4. You can write any 2. And I insist that you go for the last one, that is donating blood. even if you have not donated blood, just read the process. Anywhere you can get, it's a very simple information. But remember, here you have to write down in the form of a process, and here you have to write down in the form of steps 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. What is the first step of donating blood? Second one, first one I have already told you here. The first one is holding the fists very tight so that the veins are very easily visible. Similarly, opening a bank account, first you have to fill up a form. Step number 1 I have already told you. And then growing up, I have already told you, the first one is a child is born. And preparation of tea, I think students of home science, nothing to be said. Every one of you have your own style of preparing tea. You must be preparing tea at home and giving to your parents, and then they must be liking it very much. So preparing tea in your own style. What is your style of preparing tea? So write down these 4 processes. Okay, keep it with you. And then I'll tell you what to do later when we'll be meeting later. Okay, so please write them down, at least 2. One is compulsory. I made it compulsory because it's good. Donating blood, it's compulsory. And you choose the next one from the remaining 3. That is growing up, preparing tea, or opening a bank account. So write down these 2 processes and keep them with you. And then when we shall be meeting for the next practical class, I'll tell you what to do. Okay, have a nice time. Bye. Thank you.